Okay, fourth day's not quite as exciting. Got the tailstock part done. Got a few gears done. Oops, sorry. Got a bunch of these shafts done. A few of the knobs done. So roughly what I've gotten done in all is about 49 of the roughly 220 parts. That was a rough guess or a rough count on those parts. I'll have a solid count when I'm completely done, and I'm starting to think it may be a little bit higher than that. So where do I stand? I'm not a quarter, a third. I'm barely even scratching the surface on this thing. This didn't have anything on it at all, so I'm putting a nylon washer on there and a regular washer. I'm assuming this was like an oil sump, and this was supposed to have had a brush in it. I don't know that, but that's what it's going to end up getting used for, because the hole goes absolutely nowhere. Alright, if you got earbuds in, you might want to watch it, because I'm going to tap this in there. And these bolts, I've had so much concern about these things are going to rust. They've all been polished, they've been waxed, and it's not going to be any different than my cabinet saw, my band saw, or anything else that has a cast iron top on it. It's going to require maintenance. It's just all there is to it. I just can't see putting paint on them. That's just going to end up coming off anyway. I'd say that's it. Everything seems to function fine. One thing I got to do is get the washers cleaned up, put the washers under here. Once this is all done with, and I'm going to redo this as a wooden handle on here, it's kind of chewed up. I'm going to drill that out, make a new handle for it, and I'll brad one back over. Actually, I think what I'm probably going to end up doing is tapping the wheel and making a handle with bearings in it. Thanks for watching. As always, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and always share these. It helps me out.